In the relentless pursuit of military superiority, nations around the globe are ushering in a new era of warfare, propelled by the convergence of artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics. These advanced technologies are poised to revolutionize the battlefield, offering unprecedented capabilities and reshaping the very nature of modern conflict. Let's enjoy together. In late October 2022, China unveiled a robotized dog armed with a machine gun, capable of being transported via a drone. In a video demonstration, the robotic dog is dropped from a drone onto a building's roof. Once the drone departs, the robot dog, equipped with a mounted machine gun, stands up and surveys the landing area for potential threats. These drones with robot dogs can be utilized for attacking vulnerable enemy positions or occupying rooftops, enabling three-dimensional assaults. The machine gun mounted on the robot dog is the lightweight Chinese QBB-97, capable of firing up to 650 rounds per minute with an effective range of up to 400 meters. The QBB-97 is designed in a bullpup configuration and uses the new Chinese 5.8mm intermediate cartridge in its base version. Combat robots, including anthropomorphic devices and those operating in air and water environments, are becoming increasingly prevalent. One of the most formidable ground-based drones in the world is the Aaron-9. In terms of firepower, this Russian unmanned combat vehicle holds the top position globally. Visually resembling an infantry fighting vehicle, it measures approximately 4.5 meters in length and 2 meters in width, with a combat weight of up to 10 tons. The Aaron-9 is equipped with a 30mm automatic cannon, 2A72, paired with a 7.62mm machine gun. Additionally, launchers with 9mm120 Ataka anti-tank missiles are installed on both sides of the turret, which can be replaced with Igla anti-aircraft missiles if necessary, providing air defense capabilities. 6 reactive flamethrowers, Schmel, are positioned at the rear of the turret. Notably, there is currently no unmanned combat vehicle in the West that can match the firepower of the Aaron-9. This combat robot has already participated in real combat operations in Syria, where it reportedly demonstrated its effectiveness, although specific details of its application in the Syrian conflict remain unknown. Another remarkable giant combat transformer robot created in Japan with potential military applications is Airax. This piloted humanoid robot has the capability to transform into different modes. Standing at a towering height of 4.5 meters and weighing approximately 3.5 tons, the Aaron-Smet robot features a control cockpit and 4 legs, each equipped with a wheel to aid in movement. Airax can easily transform by pressing a button, allowing the pilot to expand or contract the platform's wheelbase as needed. The actual mechanism is crafted from an alloy of iron and aluminum, while the outer shell is made from fiber-reinforced plastic. Inside the cockpit, there are 2 joysticks, 3 large monitors, and various pedals for control. Additionally, the cockpit is equipped with a total of 26 cameras for navigation. Reports indicate that in a standing position, Airax can reach a maximum speed of 2 km/h, while with the extended wheelbase, it can achieve speeds of up to 10 km/h. The Russian state corporation Aaron-Smet has created a remarkable protective suit that can withstand explosions, even from ammunition. Imagine walking through a minefield without fear. That's exactly what this suit allows. Victoria Kolesnikova, a tester from the Central Scientific Research Institute of Mechanical Engineering, demonstrated the suit's effectiveness. She walked through an area filled with explosions and fire, looking like the Terminator, and came out completely unscathed, except for a bit of dirt. Medical checks confirmed she had no injuries. The exact strength of explosions the suit can handle is unknown, and might be top secret. The Robo-Simian Spider robot, a joint development by NASA and DARPA, is designed to operate in challenging environments. This robot, created as part of the DARPA Robotics Challenge competition, has 4 limbs with multiple joints, allowing it to overcome various obstacles and even open doors. In the first stage of the competition, RoboSimian secured 5th place and advanced to the finals. RoboSimian is capable of removing debris, climbing ladders, and working with construction tools, making it particularly useful for disaster relief in situations where human workers face lethal risks. The robot is equipped with 4 robotic arms, each segmented and ending in a manipulator with several degrees of freedom. These manipulators can rotate, bend, grasp objects, and handle construction tools. The robot's design is optimized for climbing ladders thanks to its body shape and overall structure. The Russian Venom-term crawler robot is a compact and versatile machine designed primarily for showcasing products in a unique and interactive way. Originally created as an illustration rather than a real combat robot, it caught the interest of the Russian military, who began using it to demonstrate the capabilities of modernized robots in their army. Equipped with advanced technology, the Venom-term robot can move freely, demonstrating product features and benefits in an attractive and entertaining manner. It is also utilized by advertising companies unaffiliated with the Department of Defense, programmed to display products and messages creatively and attractively. For instance, it can feature a large screen to display product details or be programmed to perform movements, highlighting key product features. Beyond its functional abilities, companies can customize the robot's color, design, and graphics to align with their brand image and message, enhancing brand recognition and promotion. This autonomous platform was directed through challenging terrain for several days to assess its battlefield capabilities. Developers and military representatives from 20 European countries attended the tests and were satisfied with the robotic platform's capabilities. The Mission Master SP is part of the Mission Master series and exists primarily in a cargo version designed for evacuating casualties from the battlefield or delivering ammunition and medical supplies to combat units remotely. However, various combat modules can be installed on the platform, transforming the silent partner into a potent weapon capable of engaging enemy vehicles. During testing, the platform successfully underwent trials with the Rheinmetall Field Ranger multi-remote controlled combat module, equipped with 2 7-tube 70mm rocket launchers from FEES with laser guidance. These rockets can engage targets at distances of up to 7 kilometers. South Korea has introduced a new unmanned ground vehicle developed by the local industry, called the Aaron-Smet. This compact transporter, about 3 meters long and 1.5 meters wide, was unveiled at a U.S. military base near Seoul. It is designed to perform various tasks typical of unmanned vehicles. Key features of the Aaron-Smet include a range of at least 100 kilometers, with potential for even greater distances depending on external factors. It can travel at speeds between 34 kilometers per h and 43 kilometers per h, depending on the terrain. The vehicle has a payload capacity of 550 kilograms. The Hanwha Aerospace project envisions Aaron-Smet transporting wounded personnel. At the IDEF exhibition, the Chinese company Zeon presented its helicopter-type drone bombers, the Blowfish A2, and the new development, the Blowfish A3. The Blowfish A2 can be armed with air-to-ground missiles with radar guidance or precision-guided bombs with laser guidance, each weighing 6 kilograms, in addition to machine gun weaponry. This electrically powered drone operates silently, making it suitable for reconnaissance missions and stealthy approaches to the enemy beyond radar detection. The Blowfish A2 can be launched with a single button press and is fully capable of autonomously executing complex combat tasks, including fixed-range reconnaissance and precision strikes. Zeon is also developing the Blowfish A3, an unmanned helicopter with a length of 2 meters and a width of 0.5 meters. The Blowfish A3 drone can be armed with a machine gun or a 40mm grenade launcher. The armored tracked vehicle Cernic is designed for various tasks including reconnaissance, relay patrolling, guarding territories, and important objects, demining, and delineation. This robot operates in 3 control modes: manual, automatic, and direct control. With a weight of no more than 7 tons, it can reach speeds of up to 40 km/h. With remote control and direct visibility, the machine has an operational radius of up to 10 kilometers. The armored robot can also function as a fire support vehicle, transporting ammunition and fuel, evacuating the wounded, and providing guard duty. Its armored hull can withstand gunfire up to 7.62 mm caliber. One of the most notable advancements in military robotics is the American T-360M2 MUT. This remotely controlled tracked robot serves as a versatile tactical vehicle with a hybrid drive and comes in both wheeled and tracked versions. Following successful tests, the robot was adopted by the United States Marine Corps. The T-360M2 MUT platform can be equipped with various machine guns or a 60mm mortar. It also has an unarmed version for transporting equipment, evacuating wounded soldiers, conducting reconnaissance, or launching drones. BigDog, developed by Boston Dynamics, is a quadruped robot designed for carrying loads and traversing challenging, uneven terrains. It represents an advanced solution in the field of robotics, with a key characteristic being its ability to maintain stability during movement thanks to dynamic stabilization. With an impressive payload capacity, BigDog is valuable in situations requiring transportation of equipment or materials in hard-to-reach places. Its system of flexible and powerful legs enables it to overcome obstacles like rocks or snow, while also allowing it to move at a considerable speed. Equipped with sensors and cameras for environmental perception, BigDog has approximately 50 sensors measuring various parameters such as attitude, acceleration, force of joint actuators, engine speed, temperature, and hydraulic pressure inside the robot's internal engine. Another significant advancement in military robotics is the humanoid robot DRC Hubo, which is connected to the DARPA project and the U.S. Army. DRC Hubo gained prominence by winning the DARPA Robotics Challenge, a competition organized by the Pentagon. The robot, created by the South Korean team KAIST, won the $2 million grand prize. The competition, announced in early 2013, included 2 preliminary rounds and a final event over 2 days, where each robot had 2 attempts to complete an obstacle course with 8 challenges. Among the 24 participating robots, 12 from the United States, 5 from Japan, 3 from South Korea, 2 from Germany, and 1 each from Italy and Hong Kong, DRC Hubo stood out. It impressed judges with its unique ability to work on its knees, thanks to special wheels that allow it to drive in any direction. DRC Hubo has been in development since 2002. It weighs 80 kilograms, stands 180 centimeters tall, and uses advanced sensors and software to create 3D maps and recognize objects. For the DARPA competition, developers enhanced its walking algorithm and stability. The robot can reach for objects above it while maintaining balance, and its upper body can rotate 180 degrees independently of its lower body. DRC Hubo completed all tasks in 44 minutes, achieving a perfect score of 8 points. Chimp, the first rescue robot tank developed by a team from Carnegie Mellon University for DARPA's Robotics Challenge, boasts impressive specifications. Standing at 145 centimeters in height, 69 centimeters in width, and 25.4 centimeters in thickness, and weighing almost 200 kilos, Chimp is a formidable machine. It can operate autonomously or under human control, equipped with 6 video cameras and the LiDAR module, providing a full 360-degree view to the operator. Chimp's design allows it to squeeze through narrow doorways, despite its humanoid lower limbs. Instead of walking, it rolls around on rubberized tracks, similar to a tank, minimizing the risk of tipping over. However, in challenging conditions, Chimp can adopt a quadrupedal stance for greater stability. With its computer vision and motion planning algorithms, Chimp can independently determine the purpose of objects or tools and use them as intended. Flying and walking drones are becoming commonplace, but the United States Marine Corps is developing a unique drone called Guardbot, which can move both on water and rough terrain. Guardbot is designed for comprehensive surveillance and detecting improvised explosive devices, IEEDs. This spherical drone features a sealed construction that houses observation cameras and sensors. Last year, Guardbot was tested in various environments, successfully executing planned movements on both water and land. Guardbot's movement speeds are about 6.5 kilometers per h on water and up to 35 kilometers per h on land, with a maximum surface incline of 30 degrees. Inside the drone, stabilization mechanisms and a movement system shift its center of gravity to propel it forward. It is powered by reliable Eagle Pitcher batteries, allowing it to operate for up to 18 hours without recharging. The drone can be controlled remotely by an operator or operate autonomously. Guardbot moves almost silently and can remain stationary until commanded to execute a task. China is indeed developing its first mass-produced humanoid robot with artificial intelligence, intended for military applications. A Chinese company, 48 Intelligence, unveiled the humanoid robot GR1 at the World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai in late July of the previous year. The company plans to commence mass production of the robot in 2024 and release thousands of units into the market, including for military applications. The humanoid robot GR1 is capable of moving on two legs at a speed of 5 km/h and can carry a payload of up to 50 kg. Development work on the robot began in 2019, and by 2022, the developers successfully enabled the robot to stand on two legs and walk. Ron has showcased its second-generation Exos 2 exoskeleton, which, according to its creators, transforms an ordinary soldier into a superhero, endowing them with exceptional superhuman abilities. This suit significantly accelerates and simplifies soldier activities, enabling one soldier in the exoskeleton to perform the work of at least 2 or 3 soldiers without it. Moreover, the exosuit is highly mobile and does not restrict the movements of the wearer, allowing for activities like playing football, climbing stairs, and accommodating additional armor and weaponry that were previously only installed on lightly armored vehicles. However, the main drawback of the Exos 2 is its power source, a lithium-ion battery that currently lasts only for 4 hours of operation.